Next, we will consider the business strategy of Jones in the short run. First, let's look at the cost of production with a fixed cost and variable cost. According to John's suggestions, when we reduce the price, we can beat other competitors in the same market and attract more customers to sell more products. However, this strategy is only effective in a short period of time for many reasons. It can be seen here in the monopolistic competitions. When the firm reduces price, the demand for vegetables increases. In response to that, the company has to hire more employees and the supply of vegetables also increases as well, leading to a higher cost of production. While the price of each unit decreases, the revenues for unit production are equal to the cost of production, meaning that the firm is not making any profit. Therefore, if the price keeps reducing, the cost of the production will be higher than the selling price of a unit. Therefore, the companies will lose profit and may be unable to cover all the production costs like rent, labor. Regarding the quality of products, it is crucial for the company to maintain high quality products to ensure a high level of demand, while poor quality products influence the credibility, reputation, and sales of the business. If this satisfaction is not met, the firm may opt for competing product. Therefore, when the price goes down, the firm cannot guarantee the high quality of products if they want to make a profit, and that affects the company. Additionally, customer service is one of the factors that need to be considered. Great customer service enables the firm to get feedback and enhance the brand, acquire new and repeat clients, also go the extra mile. Moreover, studies show that 89% of people will pay more for great customer service. When a company suddenly lowers the price to attract customers, the quality of customer service is affected because employees have to concentrate on selling, importing products. Hence, they are unable to well take care of the customer. In John's plans, he only focuses on reducing price and not maintain or improve the products or customer services. Therefore, John's strategy can only be used in a short time. However, in the long run, mean strategy will be the best for the company.